Procter and Gamble has accessible packaging for the disabled community, which obviously includes the blind and visually impaired. I have a ton of examples here, so stick around, we'll talk more about it. Hey guys, it's Sam with The Blind Life. Welcome back to the channel where I help you learn how to live your best blind life. On this channel, I cover everything to do with vision loss, including assistive technology and adaptive consumer products. So if that kind of information sounds good to you, then subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you'll be alerted every time I put out new videos. At the Foundation Fighting Blindness Visions Conference in 2024, I had the opportunity to meet Samara Latif. She is the accessibility lead at Procter and Gamble. Not only did she give an amazing keynote presentation, but she also brought a ton of samples of their new accessible packaging. If you're not aware, Procter and Gamble, they are the parent company for a ton of the world's most popular brands. Herbal Essence, Gillette, Head & Shoulders, just a ton of names that we all recognize. Well, Procter & Gamble as a whole is committed to making their packaging more accessible for the disabled community. Some of that includes new packaging for mobility impairments, but what's really cool is new packaging for vision impairment. I've got 6 bottles here and they represent 3 brands. I've got Head & Shoulders, Herbal Essence, and OLAY. And all of these bottles have accessible markings on them indicating what the bottle is or what the bottle contains. And one thing that's really nice is these tactile indicators, they're almost like hieroglyphics, but they are formed in the plastic of the bottle. So this isn't something that's added to a label or anything like that. It's not a sticker that's on the bottle. The tactile icon is actually created when the bottle is formed. We were given these sheets that are essentially the icon key. It tells you what the icons represent. But these 2 sheets that I have show the icons for some beauty products and some cleaning products, as well as some baby products too. So I'll go through a couple of these real quick just to give you an idea of how they work. And I said this a minute ago about they're kind of like hieroglyphics because they take on that same design quality where the icon represents what the product is. Like this one, this bottle here has a single raised line, and that indicates that this is body wash. And the thought is that we just want one line because it represents the one body that you have. You only have one body, so you get one line. Whereas the hand soap has 2 lines because you have 2 hands. Well, most people have 2 hands. Shampoo is a series of vertical lines, kind of representing the strands of hair. The toothpaste icon looks like a blob of toothpaste, kind of that familiar toothpaste shape. Deodorant looks like a bar of deodorant where it's flat on the bottom and rounded on the top. The razor for Gillette razors is a series of lines that it kind of resembles a razor. Then if we get into some of the laundry products, a lot of these symbols have a base symbol of a square with a round circle in the middle because these are laundry products and that kind of resembles a washing machine or a dryer. The dryer sheets is that laundry symbol, the square with a circle, and then there are horizontal lines underneath it kind of representing dryer sheets stacked up. The scented laundry beads is that laundry symbol once again with dots underneath it, kind of indicating beads. So you see it kind of all makes sense. Then we have some air freshener, which looks like a spray of air that's coming out. The fabric freshener is that spray again with a fabric symbol underneath it. I kind of love the baby ones down here at the bottom. All of the baby products also have kind of a root icon, and it is a circle formed out of dots, larger circle with a smaller circle on top of it. It kind of looks like a snowman, but I think it's supposed to represent a baby. So the diapers is just the baby icon. The diaper wipes is the baby icon with some horizontal lines underneath it. So honestly, super cool. So the next time you're at the grocery store, you're at the Costco, you're at the Walmart, and you're shopping for some shampoo, see if you can find some of these products. Procter & Gamble products, Herbal Essence, Olay, Head & Shoulders. This is going to solve one of the biggest issues that we have. In fact, whenever I'm working with clients and I'm talking about creating systems in your home, identifying the difference between your shampoo and your conditioner is one of the examples I give of a common frustration that we all deal with. Well, not all of us. Some of us that are follically challenged don't have to deal with it, but most of us have to. In my example of creating systems, I talk about how you can easily put a rubber band around one of the bottles, and that will very quickly and easily solve the problem of identifying those bottles. Now we don't have to do that. Thanks to Procter and Gamble. I will have a link in the description down below to the Procter and Gamble website where you can learn more about their initiative to create accessible packaging. While you're down there, if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments below. Check out all the links in the video description to everything important you can find in the video description or on my website, theblindlife.net. But that's it for this one, guys. Thanks again. Sam with The Blind Life. I'll see you next time.